everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have this big brown box here, and in this box I have, and I'm only going to pull one out, and the others I'm going to leave in the box. If I can get one out, I don't know if I can. Let me put this on the floor and see if I can pull one of these out. Tight. Maybe I can't get one out. Oh, there's some bonus items. Let me just trying to bring these up. You know what? Maybe I am going to just bring several of them up. Hopefully you can see. And so these are packed in here nicely. And then I'll just leave this box. I might redo my thumbnail. Excuse the BoxyCharm shirt on. I still filmed my Boxy Lux, so I wanted to do this. I have the invoice. I don't think this tells me how much I paid. No, it does not. So before I tell you, I will give you a little sneak peek right here. I did get some brushes. So what I have here is the Moda mystery box brush set 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have 4 boxes. I'm only going to open one. These are mystery boxes. I did get 2 free gifts. Enjoy your free gift. So I have I guess this is a highlighting brush because it says glow on it. I'm not going to open that at the moment. And then here, powder and soft glow brush set. Let's see what this is. I like that they're wrapped. So there's free gifts. Nice. Their brushes are very, very nice. Trying to think if I did save, which I probably did. But now, can I find it without it taking 6 years? Where's Moda? Oh, found it right away. These boxes were, let me just tell you how much the boxes were. These were $29 each. Oops, that's the commander. I did save a photo of a free gift. So this was $29. I forget what the value was. So let's open one. And I'm going to share some in future giveaways. So here's everything I see when I open the box. And the first thing I see, and these are all from Moda, obviously. This is the Magic Sponge 5-pack. And I'm not going to be taking these out of the package, the ones that are packaged. That's interesting. I like the little sponges. And then, what's that? Okay, that's good. So here from Moda Pro, we have a buffer. I'll show you the back. Nice. What is this? Moda Metallics. We have a domed shadow brush. Once again, I'll just flip it around so you can see it in use there. Nice. It's a nice little mystery bundle here. I love Moda brushes. This is a Pro makeup brush. This is an eye shader. I love the colors. And then I'll flip it and you can see. So that's 4. I mean, the brush, the sponges are more. Then it looks like they gave us a set. Moda Prismatic, the 7-piece total face flip kit, if I could say that properly. Or that like folds down. So here's this. I'll show you it far away and then bring it in a little bit. Powder, foundation, angle shader, smoky eye, brow and liner, and a painted lip. But if you look at the bottom, it looks like there is a flip in the back that you could stand this up. And this does tell you all the brushes. Nice. Okay, I'm not unhappy with this. I did this one time before and gave them away also. And then here, there's 5 pieces. This brush, if I could read these, this would be a miracle. Nope, cannot. So you have a fan. Here you have well, there's 4. I don't know why I said 5. There's 4. This is your brow and lash. Here is a small shadow brush. And what is this brush? I cannot even see what that is. Flat eye fluff brush. What would you do with a flat eye fluff? I guess you can blend with that. And that is interesting. So there's 4 brushes here in this bag. So I'm probably, I don't know if I'm going to keep one of these, honestly. But today, what I'm going to do is give, I just opened my box. So this box has a little bit of damage on it. So I'll make this box my box. I'm definitely going to keep a set. And these 2 right here, I'm going to save for future giveaways. But today, if you're up to this point, I'm going to give this box away to one of you. In the description box below, all the giveaway details. When the giveaway ends, giveaways end on a Sunday. The following Sunday, the winner will be announced. Now this, I don't remember what I was going to use as my keyword. I remembered what the keyword's supposed to be: eyeshadow. That is your keyword for this box. If you are interested to win this box, I might not ship in this box. It really, I mean, I might, because this is small enough. I think last time the boxes were way too big. I might just ship in this box. You never know. And if you'd like to enter, use the keyword, and you could win. I've been using the Wheel of Names lately, but I don't know what comment picker I will use to draw the winner. This is, let me just tell you, today is Wednesday, March the 9th, and this is going to end, I'm going to keep it up for almost a month. This is going to end on April 3rd, which is a Sunday. It ends at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the 10th, the winner will be announced. So I'm just going to put that in there. Right now I have my date book out. This way I remember, because sometimes, not that I forget them, but I'm like, oh, I ended another giveaway on that day and I needed that one to end on that day. So I have to do it right away or I forget. So it ends on April 3rd. The winner will be announced on April the 10th. Use the keyword in your comment. You must be a verifiable subscriber to the channel. I don't know how many times I say it. People don't do it, and I can't do anything about it. I am not going to say to you in a comment, I was not able to verify that you subscribed. Please take care of that. I'm just not doing it. It is rule number 1 for the giveaways. YouTube automatically defaults to private for who you subscribe to. They didn't used to, but now that's a default. Everything is hidden. I don't get what the big secret is, you know, especially if you're not a YouTuber, but whatever. So you have to go into your settings, and depending on if you're using an iPhone, an Android, a computer, blah, 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 it's different how you get there. Google it or go into Siri. I don't know, you know, however you have to do that. And it tells you simple steps, how to make them public. Make them public before you comment, because sometimes I check as you comment, and sometimes I wait until right before the giveaway or when your name is drawn. Then I have another, I'm usually on my phone or on my tablet verifying that you are an active subscriber that I can verify. So take care of the rules. I think they're very simple. I don't ask you to do anything but be a subscriber. This is done all to give back to you for watching my videos. This is just a subscriber appreciation gift. So if you'd like to win this box right here, put that one off to the side. And I'm going to save these 2 for future giveaways. So stay tuned for those. These might pop up inside of a video somewhere along the line. So if you don't watch the videos, you're going to miss out on some giveaways. Thanks all for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye-bye now.